Hello everyone, in this video I will share about the benefits of keeping a trading journal, explaining why it's crucial and how it can significantly enhance your trading performance over time. If you are not familiar with a trading journal, let me briefly explain about it. Trading journal is like a diary for traders. It helps us keep a systematic record of our financial transactions in different markets. The main goal is to become more aware of our trading decisions, make better choices, and improve our strategies over time. In this video, I will share 5 key benefits of using a trading journal, using my own journal as an example. Firstly, a trading journal helps you analyze your trade performance. A trading journal allows you to meticulously track and assess your trading performance. By logging each trade, you create a comprehensive history that enables you to identify trends, patterns, and overall effectiveness over time. Here is an example of trading journal that I created for options trading. Navigating to the monthly report tab enables a detailed analysis of my trade performance for each month. The trading dashboard provides an overview of my overall trading performance over a 12-month period, showing statistics such as the number of trades, including long and short trades, win rate, monthly profit, monthly return on investment, and more. It also highlights which strategies are performing well and those that may need improvement. The strategy dashboard allows you to delve into the performance of each strategy. It presents detailed statistics such as average wins and losses, largest wins and losses, maximum consecutive wins and losses, average time in trade, and more. This showcases how a trading journal serves as a powerful tool for conducting comprehensive trade performance analysis. The second benefit is refining your strategies. The trading journal acts as a testing ground where you can review past trades and improve your strategy based on what worked and what didn't. As demonstrated earlier, I have shown you how I analyze my trading strategy using the strategy dashboard in my trading journal. This dashboard provides a detailed overview, allowing me to identify which strategies are performing well and which may need improvement. Additionally, in the table below, I can filter the data by ticker symbol to assess the performance of each asset when a specific strategy is applied. With detailed statistics, you can refine your strategy to increase your chances of success in future trades. Next, a trading journal helps you learn from mistakes. By documenting both winning and losing trades, you can look back and understand why a trade went wrong. Adding screenshots and remarks allows for a detailed analysis, helping you identify and fix mistakes to avoid making them again. Beyond learning from mistakes, a trading journal lets you monitor progress and track your goals. Setting specific trading goals like making an average of $5,000 profit every month and regularly checking your progress through the journal keeps you focused. If you see many losing trades, it's a clear sign that you might be deviating from your goal. This awareness prompts you to review past trades, learn from mistakes, and make progress in your trading journey. Lastly, a trading journal makes tax reporting easier. As responsible traders, we are obligated to file income tax returns annually. By accurately recording all your trades throughout the year, you have the necessary documentation for reporting capital gains and losses during tax season, making the process smoother. While I have covered the main benefits in this video, there is much more to explore. Most brokers don't offer trading journals, so it's up to us to take charge of our trade analysis. Using a trading journal spreadsheet like the one I have created for forex, stock, and option trading can be really helpful. Do check out my YouTube channel for more videos about trading journals such as forex trading journal, stock and futures trading journal, option trading journal, and also visit my Etsy shop if you want to learn more about my trading journal. I will put the link to my shop in the description and comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and please share your opinions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.